Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Renee, and every week I share home decor and DIY videos. Now today we are at Tropical Plaza. As you can see, if you don't know this plaza is opposite Spring Plaza on Constant Spring Road, and I'm here to visit Monarch Pharmacy. So 2 weeks ago I went to Supermed Pharmacy to show you some home decor items, and I decided that I'm going to make this a series. So let's head on in Monarch Pharmacy. Check out the link in the description if you want to see the items at Supermed. There were some lovely items, and I hope you enjoy this video as well. Please remember to subscribe if you haven't already. Let's head on inside and see what they have. When I entered Monarch Pharmacy, I went straight to where the home decor section is, and I saw this table displaying some candle holders, lamp, vase, and other little items. So I'm just here showing you some of the stuff that they have. If you have a bedside table or tables in your bedroom now, don't have any lamp on it, they have that nice lamp for like $3,750 for one. So you can head on over and get this here at Monarch Pharmacy. You can get different color vase, and if you don't like the color, just add a little spray paint. You can DIY it and do anything you like with it if you would like to change the color over a period of time. They also add these other vase. It's a gold vase and a blue vase. So some of these, if I do purchase, I would have maybe DIY it or spray paint it myself. So you can come on and get these here. Also, they had this lantern here. It's a pair actually, a large one and a small one for $8,017. You can add your candle in it based on, you can use a regular candle or you can use a LED candle to give the effect. And they add this nice lamp as well for $3,950. So actually $3,975. So you can come on over and get your lamps here. I went over to another section where I saw these. This large one was $1,800, and they had the smaller slim size in it as well for $1,089. So if you're looking for these decorative pieces, you can come. If you're looking for picture frames, they have these picture frames here as well. They had this wood looking one. This one is actually $1,085, and they add this gold edge one as well. So if you're looking to get a gift for someone, or you just want to frame something for yourself, you can come on over and get your picture frame as well. These lanterns in red with a white candle in it, these were like for $1,065 actually, and they had them in white as well. So if you're looking to decorate a space in your home and you need these lanterns, you can head on over. They also add these candles, LED candle that you can use. These are battery operated for $582, a small one. If you're looking for organizers for your jewelry, they had this set here for like $15,000, and they had smaller decorative accessories for like $3,100. This smaller red one, if you're into little glam and swan, you can come on and get these. If you're looking for like glass clear vase, they have these. They had this blue one as well for $4,200. So I like this one here, this middle one. I like this. This would nice to put in some plant in it and to set on a table. This would be a nice statement piece as well. Remember, you can use plant to decorate your space as well. This blue vase is similar to the first one we saw on the table, the silver one. So you see, you can always use colors to create an effect on your decor. upper shelf they had these candle holders as well. So these are more if you're into the glam and if you love a little gold and if you love a little silver, you can get these. I would have maybe purchased these and spray paint them in the future because I don't really like the red and all that. Those are just for some decor when you're using certain colors. Heading over to this section, I see these baskets. Remember, you can use basket to organize any space. They can be used to hide your clutter. So in your TV room or your living room, you can use them to hide your clutter. You can use them in your bathroom. This set of 3, you can get this one here for like $4,005 for this set of 3. They had these other type of basket. You can just utilize these in your space in different areas of the home. They also had cushions, so if you're looking to decorate your space, they didn't have a wide variety of cushions, but as I mentioned, it's a pharmacy and I was just showing you some stuff that you can get for your home at pharmacy that you didn't know. If you're looking for wooden spoon set, they had these wooden spoon set and knife set and other utensils and lime squeezer. They have a lot of smaller gadgets here that you can come and maybe get as well. If you're looking to store like extra sauces when you cook, they had these containers here. They had these garden hose that you can use to decorate your garden for the spring as well. So come on over to Monarch. You might find something that you didn't know that you want. So they had these smaller gadgets, as I mentioned. They had the drain stoppers, they had some knobs as well and hooks for your you can hang like your keys on and those other stuff. If you're looking for extra plug outlet, they had these as well, and they had hooks for your door that you can hang over your door to hang your jackets and so on. So come on, you can get smaller gadgets here that you never thought of, so you can come on and check them out. If you're looking for car seat organizer, you can get that as well, and some other ropes that you can use in your DIY, as I mentioned, with your vase. If you're looking for a little handy tool set, here's one you can come and grab. They have the hammer, the knife, they had the knife and a tape measure in it. If you're having guests over and you don't have enough room, here's a blow up bed that you can come and get. And they also had these mirrors. I would have spray paint these or do something with it, but it's only $1,957, so it's a great deal. You can come on and grab. If you're like me or my family that is always out of containers, here's a great place that you can come on and get a few containers to store. If you carry lunch to work or for the children to go to school, you can come on over and get nice storage containers here, and the price is like $7.30 for this set. Here's a nice colander that you can get here as well, and this one was only $1,150. It's a metal colander. Whoa, they have egg tray as well. You know, I saw someone do a DIY with this egg tray. What they did, actually, they use it to organize their makeup sponge. So what they do, they use the round sponge that they use to put on your foundation. They take out the egg part of it and put it in their drawer and organize their sponges for their makeup, and that's a great idea. So you don't have to use what it says it is there for, but it's a great way to still organize the refrigerator. you're looking for dinnerware set, they have these here, so you can come on and get them. They also add these organizer with your spoon and your towel. This towel and paper dispenser rack as well is a nice one. You can put your foil paper or cling wrap on it with your seasoning. This one would be a nice gift for someone as well. This dish rack here is a nice tier dish rack. I have something similar to that, and if you're looking for scale, you can use this scale in your bathroom as well, and this one is actually $3,065. Wow, this dish rack is a nice dish rack. I saw this somewhere else that I visited, but I can't mention yet because that video will be coming soon. But this dry drain dish rack, it comes with the towel and also the rack that you can put your cups if you're in a small space. They also have these lovely marble tray. They have them in the gold and white, black and white, and black and gold as well. This ice bucket, you can use it at your bar cart area. It is a nice party gift as well that you can purchase when you have guests over. And if you're looking for wallpaper, they had these wallpapers here in different colors. You know, I use wallpaper to do so many things, and this was all the stuff that I saw here so far at this home decor section. If you find this video interesting, please let me know down in the comments below. Please click the link in the description to check out the Supermed video as well. Thank you again for watching. See you on the next video.